Hi, welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. We're going to be sharing the Piggies background cling red rubber stamp. Now this is an A2 size rubbered stamp, so there is a lot of fine detail of these cute little repeating pigs. The stamp itself measures a little bit larger than 4.5 by 5 3/4, while the actual image measures to be an A2 size, which is 4.25 by 5.5 inches. And I'm just using my T ruler here to measure that out and show you how large this image is. I love that it makes this awesome background. We're going to go ahead and stamp it out. I have it placed in my MISTI. I cut a piece of paper larger than an A2 size just to help show you how to stamp this stamp out. I am using some black VersaFine ink, and I'm going to close it up and just use a little helper here to help stamp this background. It is a really large image and I want to make sure I have a good clean stamp and with even pressure. So now let's open it up and you can see how fun this background is. I don't know about you, but it totally reminds me of those posters from the 90s where you'd kind of have to cross your eyes to see a hidden image. But I absolutely love all these repeating pigs. You can color them in different types of shades, or you can do like I did and create a subtle background using some pink embossing powder on some pink paper. I thought it would be fun to have a pig out sentiment with those pigs and a fun cake. You can see all of the links to purchase the brand new items down below, and you can check out my YouTube video where I put this card together. Join us over on our Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook group for more inspiration for this brand new release. Have a good day!